Safari World is a tourist attraction in Bangkok, Thailand that consists of two parks named Marine Park and Safari Park, operated by Safari World Public Limited. The park was opened in 1988 with a total area of 480 acres for its open zoo and 180 acres for its bird park. A major renovation to enhance effectiveness of land use began on April 17, 1989, and its total area developed for the leisure park now consists of an open zoo and a marine park on 500 rai of land. Safari Park is about 8 kilometers long. A drive through the park takes about 45 minutes. Hundreds of animals from all over the world are present. There are daily tiger and lion feeding shows. Its total area developed for the leisure park now consists of an open zoo and a marine park on 200 acres of land. The marine park houses a spectrum of animals of land, sea, and air. The attractions are Jungle Cruise River Ride, a water flume ride through the jungles of Africa and Asia, 7 shows daily, spy war action stunts, water skiing, dolphins, Hollywood cowboy stunts, birds, orangutan boxing, and sea lions, exhibits featuring white tigers, fantasy carp garden, tapir kingdom, crocodile gardens. A safari park, sometimes known as a wildlife park, is a zoo-like commercial and tourist attraction where visitors can drive their own vehicles or ride in vehicles provided by the facility to observe freely roaming animals. The main attractions are frequently large animals from sub-Saharan Africa such as giraffes, lions, rhinoceros, elephants, hippopotamus, zebras, ostriches, and antelope. Safari parks often have other associated tourist attractions, golf courses, carnival rides, cafes, restaurants, rideable miniature railways, and gift shops. Depart for Safari World is a zoological park divided into 2 parts. The first part is Safari Park, an open zoo with wild animals. The second part is the Marine Park where there are a variety of marine animals and shows of trained dolphins, birds, seals and apes. A drive through the scenic Safari Park presents a unique opportunity for the closest encounter possible with rare and endangered species of the animal kingdom. Explore nature's numerous wonders in their original splendor and respond the call of the wild, while remaining in the comfort of our private car or coach. Witness the truly breathtaking tiger and lion feeding show, the only one of its kind anywhere in the world.
In the air. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay! That's fantastic!
Bird show. Stand by for a stunning show as our colorful performers take a plunge from the arena to the stage. Watch with amazement and bewilderment the acrobatic and athletic skills of these intelligent creatures and share in the intimate secrets of a pair of lovebirds. See how our feathered friends fly their way to your heart. Spy War Show. Our secret agent Sean Sacco has a mission to fulfill, to get Doomsday Trigger before Mako gets us. Join Sean as he combats difficult terrain and heavy enemy gunfire to stop Mako in his tracks. Hold on to your seats as the action unfolds amidst a sea of rapid crossfire, thunderous explosions, and breathtaking paratrooping stunts in a state-of-the-art amphitheater. A truly earth-shattering experience not to be missed.
Rico, very good to see you again. How are you?
They cost me. You think I'm okay?
Yes, I can. You want a cigarette?
Yeah.
Let go! You will not!
Hey! What are you doing?
Oh!
Cowboy Show. Let Safari World bring you straight into the law territory of the Wild Wild West, where cowboys and bandits jostle for power with the intricate knockdowns, gunfights, bullwhips, fist fights and horseplay. Run for your life as explosives are hailed in your direction.
That's all, Rico. Oh!
Hey, Morgan! Come on, man! You're late now! You have something, man!
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Yes!
Run!
Hey, Lucas.
You!
Hey, good!
Come on, man! You! Come on! You!
Nói đi cái áo lá cái lục mà!
Okay, please welcome New Evening, Mr. Welcome to Ramadan Show. Only show in the world.
Orangutan Boxing Show. Man's closest cousins take center stage as they tickle you with their keen sense of humor and dazzle you with their mathematical gifts. And who could miss world-famous Thai boxing show, starring the funniest and hairiest champions? Orangutan Show, Monkey Show at Safari World Marine Park in Bangkok, Thailand is a wonderful activity executed by the trained monies. The anchors, trainers and the commentary adds more to it to make the show a quite funny act, and it makes everyone to laugh. It's a wonderful day excursion to be done when you are in Bangkok.
Have a nice day. I'll see you again.
Let's give a big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your left top and long you be following this way. If you would like to make all
Last one! 1, 2, 3! Zubria! เก่งมากเก่งมากช่วยหน่อย come on please give a big hand ชิงทุจันทุจันกะเร่มาเลย再来一束 last one เตรียม
lion show. Lighthouse Cove will never be the same again with its new occupants. This quiet town along the Pacific coast will be turned upside down when our sea lion friends wreak havoc as they pull one trick after another. Chiefs of mischief take control.